Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at some magnets. They are push style magnets and they are so colorful and very easy to use. These are made by Greatmag. They come in a pack of 56, so you get a lot when you first buy them. And they're very, very colorful. As you can see, there's green, blue, yellow, pink, orange, clear. You have so many options to choose from. So you can pick your color scheme that you want to go with, or you can even mix and match. These are perfect for whiteboards of any size, but you can also use them on your refrigerator or anywhere in your home, kitchen, or office, classroom, or even your dorm if you're a college student like me, and place them on anything that's metallic or magnetic. Alright, so let's take a look at these magnets. As you can see, they clump a little bit together, but that's because the magnet is so strong. The magnet is made of neodymium, and each magnet is said to hold up multiple sheets of paper. We're going to show that in a second. Here's a closer look. Here's an orange one. Each neodymium magnet is 0.67 inches in length by 0.43 in diameter. They are so easy to handle. They've got a rounded end and a groove, so you can definitely handle them. Very easy to put stuff on, take stuff off, carry them wherever you want to go. And the color option makes it even better. What I absolutely love about these is that they're small enough that they don't cover up pictures. Even your posters, notes, or documents can be easily seen when you are using these magnets. So if I just use this one right here, I can still easily see the picture of my dad. Here we have a picture of my nephew, and let me show you the magnets that this board came with. They're big, they're large, and they don't tend to be that strong. And look, I can't even find a good place for it to be able to see my nephew in this picture because this magnet is so big. And it's not even as strong as these. One of these is better than two of these large ones right here. So I can demonstrate with some more pictures right here. It's a lovely picture my nephew made. Up with this one, it holds, but if I put one up, I know this isn't going to go anywhere. These are so strong. Just look at this. Like, they are very, very magnetic, and not to mention they're very cute as well. I think they're wonderful. So here's a very thick pamphlet I'm going to use one of these for. And it holds it up. It's about, maybe 8-10 page pamphlet, and it holds it right up. I don't even need to use two. Now look what happens when I use one of these. It slides down. It's not really holding it up. But yeah, these magnets are very, very easy to use, very reliable, very cute and colorful as well. You're not going to have to worry about things falling. I even thought about when I take these back to my dorm in college being able to color code certain things with certain classes because there's so many color options. I've used so many magnets that they're just not strong enough to hold up papers, or they're too big and clunky that I don't even see what the paper is or who the picture is of, and these just make everything a lot easier. So magnetic, very strong, very colorful. And once again, you can find these in packs of 56, and they feature every color that you see here. Alright, so that is a look at the Greatmag colorful push pin magnets. Please check the description section below to find out more about these. Thanks for watching, guys.